What if Google could read your content like a human and rank it for user intents and meaning rather than just keywords that you have stuffed in it? That's semantic SEO. Welcome to the Semantic SEO course. I am Behzad Hussain, and we are going to dive deep into the world of modern SEO, where search engines are context aware and rank your content according to user intents and the meanings, not just the keywords. If you are tired of chasing keywords and want to rank your content for your right target audience, you are in the right place. Why to learn semantic SEO? Rank your websites and content in AI overviews, AI mode, and LLM search engines. Earn thousands of dollars per month by offering SEO services. Bright future in SEO as more businesses are looking for semantic SEO services. Quickly grow in SEO with fast increase in salaries and payouts. Do you know semantic SEO experts are earning way more than even the business owners? What you will learn in this semantic SEO course: the core of semantic SEO and search intent, entity-based SEO and the role of Google's knowledge graph, keyword research for semantic SEO, structuring and writing semantic content according to NLP optimization principles, implementing schema markup to support your semantic SEO efforts, NLP tools and tracking your semantic SEO performance, future-proofing your SEO efforts by ranking in AI overviews, AI mode, and LLMs. How this course will work: weekly quizzes and assignments, live discussions and problem-solving sessions, personal discussions and consultation opportunities with me. So what is semantic SEO? Semantic SEO is the practice of optimizing your content around topics, entities, and user intents rather than just keywords. Semantic SEO utilizes natural language processing, knowledge graph data, entity attributes optimizations, and structured data schema markup JSON LD so that the search engines can understand the meanings and the relationship of the content to serve the target audience. What is the difference between semantic SEO and traditional SEO? Number one, keyword versus intent optimization, backlinks versus contextual backlinks, metadata versus structured data optimization, short form content versus comprehensive user responsive content. So why semantic SEO is needed in 2025-26 and beyond that? Google's algorithms are now context aware. Generative search experiences, AI overviews, AI mode, and LLM search engines, algorithm evolution, voice and multimedia search. This is just an overview of our semantic SEO course. We are going to dive deep into all these details and even advanced semantic SEO in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to learn more about semantic SEO from basic to advanced level to brighten your future in SEO. Thank you.